Government-issued types of money in the economy have consistently determined, controlled, and brought together middle people-based finance areas. Subsequently, this area has forever been in the discussion because of its tough and complex guidelines and administration. Shockingly, it has crushed its own targets scrutinizing its food during a pandemic. Notwithstanding, the rise of blockchain calculations has altogether somersaulted this situation of money ecospace. By and large, at the hour of building dApps, engineers need to choose among productivity and programming decentralization, and subsequently, blockchain applications can't have the option to accomplish legitimate equilibrium. With the send-off of the environment, the Graph declared an answer for this issue. The Graph makes a worldwide programming interface that designers use to work on their exercises. The applications in light of the Graph capability appropriately without forfeiting decentralization. The Graph has been the most significant innovation favoring. The quickly developing crypto has filled quickly since its new origin inside an extremely limited capacity to focus, dispensing with the requirement for any incorporated go-betweens. The Graph has guaranteed information ordering and security. The Graph has featured that assuming savvy contracts and decentralized applications are genuinely going to supplant their unified other options, there should be a more successful method for questioning the information expected to fabricate and keep up with them. Subsequently, the Graph comes into its pretend, adding its own commitment to information ordering, including more layers of screening shrewd agreement blockchain. There has been immense spadework that the Graph convention has executed, and the power behind this power is Ethereum token. Going by specialists' Specialized Investigation and Venture Council, the GRT cost has had a memorable journey all through, which could be the principal justification for its notoriety. The Graph cost today remains at 65 cents with a market cap of $3,090,472,144 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $136,511,855 with a flowing stockpile of 4,715,735,200 GRT. The Graph coin cost expectation estimate a hopeful cost of GRT coin stretching around 80 cents by 2022 and may ascend to $1.19 this year. The anticipated GRT cost could increment by 1087% the ongoing cost in 5 years, scaling to $5.58 in 2027. In view of our GRT cost forecasts, the cost of the coin will proceed to rise, and sooner rather than later, it will outperform its unequaled exorbitant cost of all time. It might reach $3.50 soon, and it could try and arrive at high levels, nonetheless, coming to $3.50 in the event that financial backers have arranged that GRT is a productive interest in 2022. The Graph has been showing a rising inclination. The future cost of the GRT token is anticipated at 74 cents following a year, as indicated by the Graph cryptographic money cost figures. The GRT cost is supposed to fill essentially in 6 years, showing a bullish GRT cost expectation, say by 2026. The GRT cost ought to have an unmistakable convention around $2.29, making it a productive venture for the crypto and blockchain industry all in all. This bullish pattern would be an avalanche triumph as much concerning the GRT environment. As of now, the cost of GRT exchanges around 56 cents with forward movement in spite of the immense unpredictability living in different monetary forms. Toward the start of the last year, the Graph was exchanging around its significant help level of 40 cents. On February 12, 2021, the GRT coin denoted a sharp spike and enlisted an untouched high at $2.88. In any case, from that point forward, it consistently exchanged with negative opinion and value began to decline, pursuing the negative direction till last August. Amateur finds it hard to exchange bear markets. The Graph specialized examination of specialized markers in the last August. The GRT cost plunged around 44 cents, yet later it has started a cost recuperation, as found in the above GRT value outline of everyday time period. From that point onward, the pattern proceeds, and the GRT token has figured out how to remain over its opposition level of 60 cents. The 7 days change in the crypto can be eluded through the outline table. The Graph cost examination made not many days prior uncovers the amendment in the Graph cost. As per the Graph cost gauge, the GRT coin cost is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition by beating all obstacles and drawing in a significant financial backer local area, outperforming all assumptions. Subsequent to hitting a high of $1.35 in last November, the GRT cost has checked huge remedy. Also, throughout the course of recent days, the coin has figured out how to remain above 51 cents. As indicated by the specialized examination of the Graph, the straightforward moving typical lines for 50 and 100 days made a hybrid last month. In view of this hybrid, the coin could exchange sideways throughout the following couple of days. Besides, the development of current GRT cost and remarkable moving normal affirms the shortcoming in the cost pattern. As indicated by our GRT cost investigation, in the event that the market turns great, the GRT tokens are set to break all boundaries and perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all constraints over this year. It would certainly give indications of fortune for its financial backers according to our digital money cost expectation, upheld by powerful, brilliant agreement. The GRT cost gauges for the year's end 2022 stay around 82 cents. The graph value expectation 2022. As per the graph crypto cost expectation, the token is supposed to develop by 66 cents in mid-year. The GRT might confront in the middle between yet will generally exchange to oversee bullish help developing somewhere in the range of 68 cents and 70 cents by November 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the crypto market, the graph is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the graph cost taking the GRT token to cross all obstructions scaling 82 cents according to our cost expectations for 1 year. The graph value expectation 2023. The graph has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. Financial backers turn bullish for this crypto as its highlights can assist the GRT with authoring to keep gigantic development later on. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush in the primary half and hit the 99 cents mark 1 year from now. As per the graph cost expectation, the graph cost would add another achievement coming to new ATH later on. The graph value expectation 2024. There are many cost expectations that the graph could record new high around $1.12. Be that as it may, this possibly happens when the coin will actually want to cross its previous significant opposition level. With continuous innovative redesigns of the biological system, the graph holds a promising future. In any case, merchants ought to do their own exploration prior to putting resources into GRT. The cost of the graph coin could exchange above 80 cents in the year end. The graph value expectation 2025. The graph is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take the GRT cost to a calculable degree of $1.27 according to our GRT cost forecast. The graph value expectation 2026. As per our exploration and GRT cost forecasts, the cost might reach to $1.20 in the year 2026 though, the graph cost would exchange with a normal of $1.15. With the 5-year plan, financial backers can anticipate a productive gets back from their venture. The graph estimate past 2026. Cryptographic money specialists generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the transient speculation. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of the graph would develop dramatically, by when the GRT coin would be not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of digital forms of money. However, a carefully